you're just playing yourself. Discipline is the bridge between goals and achievement. Everybody has goals. We all have dreams, visions, things we want to accomplish in life. Some people want to build businesses. Others want to be fit, successful, wealthy, or just live a peaceful, fulfilled life. But let's get one thing straight. A goal without discipline is just a fantasy. You can write your goals down 100 times, make them pretty, decorate your planner, put sticky notes on your mirror. But if you don't have the discipline to act on them every single day, they mean nothing. Discipline is what carries you through on the days when you don't feel like showing up. It's what keeps you going when you're tired, when you're bored, when the excitement wears off, and all that's left is the grind. See, goals give you direction, but discipline gets you there. Without it, you're just walking in circles. Without it, you stay talking, stay planning, stay dreaming, but you never actually do. Everybody wants the reward, but very few want the routine. Discipline is waking up early when you'd rather sleep in. It's saying no to temporary pleasure so you can say yes to long-term gain. It's making a decision and sticking to it, not just when it's easy, but when it's painful, inconvenient, and lonely. That's where the real gap is between people who wish and people who win. You don't need to be the smartest. You don't need to be the most talented. But if you've got discipline, you've got a shot. Because discipline turns average into unstoppable. It turns ideas into results. It turns potential into progress. Goals give you hope. Discipline gives you proof. Motivation fades, but discipline endures. When you're motivated, everything feels easy. You wake up excited, you hit the gym with energy, you chase your goals like nothing can stop you. But here's the problem. Motivation is emotional. It comes and goes. It depends on your mood, your energy, your environment. One bad day, one setback, one piece of bad news, and suddenly that motivation disappears. That's why you can't rely on it. Discipline, on the other hand, doesn't care how you feel. It doesn't ask if you're in the mood. Discipline is about making a decision and sticking with it no matter what. It's built on commitment, not excitement. When motivation fades, and it will, it's discipline that keeps you in the game. It's the habit you've trained, the mindset you've built, the routine you've created that kicks in and says, we're doing this anyway. A lot of people start strong because they're motivated. They get inspired, make big plans, talk loud, post quotes on social media. But a month later, they're back to square one because they were counting on motivation to carry them. The truth is, anything worth having is going to take longer than a moment of motivation can last. That's where discipline steps in. It doesn't show off. It doesn't need applause. It works quietly, every day in the background. And that's what creates real, lasting progress. If you're only working when you feel like it, you'll lose to the person who works regardless. Discipline is what builds momentum.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to tonight's presentation of Rain BNB, the best platform currently on the market. And let's have a look at what is Rain BNB. So I can just get to my presentation here. Right, there we go. All right, welcome to tonight's presentation of Rain BNB. Rain BNB is the next generation of Ride BNB, which started on the 7th of August 2024. And the Rain BNB contract was launched on the 16th of January this year. So they have got more bonuses, bigger payouts, and more opportunities in Rain BNB. Let's break this down in two parts. The first part will be about the platform itself. Why is it stable, secure, and very solid platform? And then the next part will be about the compensation plan. So let's start to carry on and see what. Before we start this presentation, I just want to inform you about this warning that this information contained in this presentation has the possibility to change your life dramatically. So just beware of that. Right, the $1,000,000 question we need to ask ourselves in life is, who wants to fail? And the answer will always be nobody. Nobody wants to fail in life. Nobody is born to fail. All right, we all think about success as being wealthy and rich. So let's look at what the results say of research worldwide, that only 97% of people worldwide, they remain mediocre and average, while about 3% achieve that wealth and success in their lifetime. All right, so the main reason for people to stay mediocre and average is because they have a lack of burning desire, and that can be the cause of a poor mindset, full of excuses. We just call it excusitis, or they just give up too easily. And as we heard now in this pre-session, that it's about not motivation, it's about discipline. So your motivation will fail you at some time, but if you do not give up, you will make a success. All right, so also there's a failing, they fail to seize the right opportunity at the right time. And there's a lack of transparency and trust in platforms, and also a lack of the right platform or legit platforms which people join. So only about 3% they are successful in life. But the first thing to start success, to be successful, is to start believing in yourself. All right, let's look at the platform itself. And please forget everything that you have previously experienced in this industry, in other platforms, other programs. Rain BNB is totally different from all the other platforms. You might see some similarities, but totally this platform is different from any other platform. All right, so Rain BNB has got the solution for each and everyone in this world to earn a exceptional income, whether you do it full-time or part-time. Yes, you can work on Rain BNB full-time, or you can do it part-time, as many members are doing it currently. All right, so this is a 21st century cutting-edge business model, which creates a win-win situation for everyone that is involved here. All right, now what is Rain BNB? Rain BNB is a pioneering community building platform on the OP-BNB blockchain network, where members accumulate BNB. Right, so you do not have to be an expert in crypto or in any of those fields of finances to work in Rain BNB. This is open for each and everyone. Even if you're new to crypto, if you're a seasoned, experienced investor, you will have a place in Rain BNB. All right, it has been established by a team of experts from Russia and Europe, and they have got expertise in blockchain and artificial intelligence. So keep note that Rain BNB is not a return on investment platform where you just put in money and you wait for your money to come back and work for you. This platform does not work like that. All right, it's also not a donation platform, but you will receive big payments if you meet the requirements of this smart contract, and you will see that the requirements is actually very simple and easy. All right, first of all, the mission and the vision of Rain BNB. The mission is to empower individuals globally through a decentralized community building platform by making use of smart contracts. And I want you to have a look here at top right. on this explanation of smart contracts. It's a self-executing trustless agreements on the blockchain. So the blockchain, you cannot change anything, you cannot alter it, no fraud can happen there. Your money is safe, nobody can interfere with the sending of the money because this is decentralized. There's no human control, no third-party control involved here. So there's no third-party control, a bank, a person, or any intermediary that could operate between you and your cryptocurrency transactions. Right, so the vision is to be the leading platform worldwide. And again, there is the word decentralized. This is very important. You do not want to invest in a platform or take part in a platform where other human beings are in control, or a management group, or a CEO, or an owner is in control of everything, of the money especially. Here, that factor is removed basically because the smart contract manages each and every transaction here. Right? You do not pay money to a single person or a single entity here. The money goes straight to the smart contract and it gets distributed to the qualifying members. Right, so why RainBnB? Why is RainBnB 100% risk-free and scam-free? This is a decentralized platform and it's totally unique and it's a proper business on its own. So what makes it 100% risk and scam-free? This is the main reason there is zero money on the smart contract. Nothing is kept on the smart contract. This balance is always on zero. And here is the address. And the person that invited you can give you this address as well so you can have a look at yourself. All the money that comes in here gets distributed immediately to the qualifying members. So there is no chance of this money being, your money being sent to someone else or even stolen or being defrauded or anything like that. Nobody can access this money except the smart contract. Let's look at reasons to join RainBnB. It's a fully decentralized platform, meaning there is no third party that controls this or is no owner in control here. All right, you do not need to build a big community. You only need to refer a minimum of 2 people. This is the minimum. Take note of that. And that minimum of 2 people will qualify you for further bonuses and further payments as well. And all the payments are done and sent immediately in very fast time. All right, it's not limited to any working hours. This is a global business, so you can decide when and where you want to work in RainBnB. All right, nobody can change the smart contract, not even the developers themselves. If they want to make changes, they have to rewrite a whole different new smart contract. And even if that does happen, this smart contract will still carry on working as it was designed from the first day. All right, RainBnB is also not dependent on a website, and this is also very important. It is operating on the blockchain exclusively. So even if the URLs are not accessible that we work in RainBnB, you can still operate on the blockchain directly through the smart contract. Right, you can also be your own boss in RainBnB. This business is a business for a lifetime, okay, and it's only dependent on the internet existence. So RainBnB will exist until the day that the internet stops working on this earth. Very important to remember that. Right, there's also no monthly fees. There's no products or to sell or to ship around, and it's liability free. That there's no products and targets to meet here. So you don't have to buy stuff. You register once off, or you upgrade once only, and then you are a member of RainBnB, and then you just work through the process until you reach your targets or your deadlines that you have set for yourself. So there's no targets to meet monthly, weekly, or whatever. You work on your own time, on your own targets that you set for yourself. All right, it's 100% transparent. Everything is recorded on the blockchain. Each and every transaction is there. It's also 100% risk-free, as we already said, that nobody can lose any money here because there is no money to be stolen or to lose. You just need to keep to the requirements of this smart contract to get further payments. Right, it's legal in most countries wherever crypto are legal. Payments are also done instantly and sent to your connected wallet. There's no need for any withdrawal requests. If you qualify to receive any payments, that payment is sent instantly to your connected wallet that you registered with. All right, you and you alone are in control of your own money. There's no other third party in control of the money here. That is also very important and the main feature for RainBNB that sets it apart from all other programs or platforms. It's 100% scam free. Nobody can scam you here and tell you lies or that you will get so much money and then just run away with the money. Nobody can scam you here because there is no money to be stolen. Right, BNB is the coin that they use to pay you with and to pay members with. So it's not a new token that they need to launch or get traction for in the market. BNB is the fifth strongest on coin market cap currently. And currently it's trading around $650, but we'll have a look at that more in detail in a short moment. Right, this platform has got the best compensation plan ever in history of any program that has been launched and currently available in the market. All right, and then the last reason is because you and I, we need extra income and we want to make money. And RainBNB is a for sure way to make that money with peace of mind. You don't have to worry if the platform is going to be there tomorrow or disappear or whatever. So yeah, you do not need um, to worry about that. But let's look at what is BNB. BNB, the coin, Binance coin, was launched in July 2017 by Binance, which is the biggest cryptocurrency exchange globally. So when it was launched at about $10 per BNB coin. Right, but here you can also see the growth. Now these are old screenshots. As I said, today's value is about $650 per BNB coin. And here you can see the growth the last 5 years. It is more than 3,600%. And the growth overall is more than 8,400% since it was launched in 2017. Now we all know what happened to Bitcoin in 2010 when it launched. And today it's over $1 million, $100,000 per Bitcoin. So there's a huge growth opportunity for BNB, and they predict that it can reach between $4,000 to $10,000 per coin in the next 2 to 5 years. And already in this year only, they predict that it can reach already $1,000 per coin with an average of $790 per BNB coin. And as I said, today it's trading at $650. Just a couple of days it was close to 700. Right, so there's no need to build a new token or a coin that has no value, and because that is already been done, and that's why they are using BNB, and they also use it on the OPBNB network because of these two reasons. It's very low transaction fees, and those transactions on the OPBNB network is very fast. So OPBNB is a high performance layer 2 solution within the BNB ecosystem. All right, the gas fees remain stable and also very low cost, and that makes the transactions very fast. And we know that in other smart contracts, after some time, the transaction fees get so high that the people cannot continue working on that anymore because the transaction fees are getting too high. So yeah, that situation is also taken care of and it's removed because the OPBNB gas fees will stay stable and remain low all the time. Right, now that delivers for optimal performance. And here you can see a screenshot of coin market cap where BNB is number 5 after Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, Ripple, and then it's BNB. Right, let's look at the most important features of RainBNB. There is no ownership control. Very important point this to remember. Nobody that can interfere here or can move the money or anything. That is one of the main themes that you must consider when joining any platform. Who controls the money? Here, the smart contract and the smart contract alone manages all the transactions. Right? It's fully decentralized. RainBnB has got its own decentralized application that you cannot obtain on any app store like Google Play or Apple iPhone store. It's also blockchain driven, so you do not need to have a website that you need to work on. There's absolute trust and transparency available in this platform. The system is unchangeable, it's immutable. You cannot change the smart contract. Not even the developers can change the codes on here. As I said, even if they do that, this contract will still carry on working like it was supposed to be. Right, the payments are done instantly, so there's no need for any withdrawals. You just open your wallet and you see there's money that came in there. Right, the transaction fees are always low and very stable, and that will always be like that. RainBnB's got a global reach. You can work globally in your own time and your own leisure, each and every country where it is legal to work with cryptocurrencies. And then there's also autonomous in operation. So when you do register, there's no personal information of yours or data that goes onto the platform. There's no email address, no telephone number, nothing like that you register with. It's totally decentralized. You just get a number, and even if you receive money, you do not know who's paying you and who you are paying to. Right, this is also a risk, liability, and scam-free platform. So your reputation will be built through this platform, because we know what happens in other platforms. After a while, then it collapses, and then your reputation is out of the window. Then you need to recover it. So yeah, there is no chance of that happening as well, because there is no risk and there is no chance of you being scammed or anybody being scammed. Everybody can work in RainBnB with a peace of mind and trust. Right, so again, let's look at the word trustless. For trustless agreements, what the smart contract is. That means that you don't have to trust a third party, a bank, or a person or any other intermediary that will operate between you and your crypto transactions or holdings. And simply put, RainBnB is light years ahead of any other platform. Right, so why RainBnB is the best platform online? Again, I'm going to reiterate this so that it becomes a repetition. The money or the BNB is not controlled by any human being. This is the biggest reason why you need to join RainBnB when you consider that. Right, everything is managed by the smart contract. All transactions is managed immediately. There's no waiting period. There's no tomorrow or next week or next month. It is done immediately. All payments, all withdrawals are handled in an instant of a second. Right, there's no need to trust any human being with your money, because the smart contract manages. As long as you have an internet connection, you can work with peace of mind on this platform. Right, the smart contract cannot be changed. That's reason number 2. Nobody can change this compensation plan. This means that you are basically guaranteed to get payments when you meet the requirements of the smart contract. And we'll look at what the requirements are in a couple of minutes. Right, no money is kept on the smart contract. As I said already, 100% of what goes in goes out immediately to the qualifying member and to the bonuses allocated. Right, nobody can move your money or send it to any other wallet or steal it or defraud you there. Right, there's also a once-off low-cost startup fee of only about $3. And RainBnB has got the best compensation plan, and it's really unimaginable income that you can earn. You can earn up to 1.48 million BNB. And as I said, one BNB today is $650. So you can make that calculation. And you can decide how much you want to earn from RainBnB. And that is from one position only. Right, so RainBnB is really easy. Let's look at the requirements. And again, it's 100% managed by the smart contract. The smart contract cannot be changed by anyone. No money is kept on the smart contract, which can be sent to anybody else. 100% of the funds are distributed instantly to the qualifying members. It's 100% risk-free, it's 100% scam-free. There's zero risk here. There's no chance of you being scammed. Okay, now this will guarantee that you will get paid if you meet the three easy requirements of this smart contract. There's no issues. You will get your payment. You will get your money. Now the requirements, there's three basic things. You register, you refer a minimum of 2 others with your link to qualify for further payments. And once you have done that, you upgrade to earn more BNBs. And that will basically guarantee that you get paid immediately. All right, so don't overcomplicate this. It's not so complicated to make real money in RainBnB and change your financial status or your situation. Just do these basics right, and then you will not have any issues. Right, so how do you start in RainBnB? Let's look at part two. How do you start and the compensation plan? So first of all, there's 4 steps that you need to do. You must download a Web3 wallet, any Web3 wallet that you are comfortable with to use. But we recommend that you use SafePal wallet because of the features and it's very user-friendly. So yes, most members are using SafePal. You can also use Token Pocket, Trust Wallet, or any others. But SafePal and Token Pocket are the most recommended ones. Now, very important for you to write down your 12-word seed phrase for each wallet that you open to register on RainBnB. And those 12 words is basically your keys or that you can get access to your wallet for in case something happens to your wallet. Like your device breaks or you lose it, do not lose your 12 words. Keep them safe in a safe place. Right, then when you've done that, you fund your wallet with a minimum of 0.0044 BNB. That's just for the registration fee. After that, you need to register with the link from the person who invited you. And then you just ride with the required BNB on the OPBNB network. And that means that you need to upgrade because here lies the life-changing money in the upgrades. And we'll have a look at that in more detail right now. So the compensation plan, as we said, you need to register with the minimum amount there. It is recommended also that you start at least on Ambassador, Pioneer, or Mentor rank to make a big difference at least. You can start on beginner. It's just going to take you much longer, but it's not impossible. But then you need to refer a minimum of 2 other people directly with your link, and then you need to upgrade to receive more payments. So you can decide if you want to make 1,000,000 excuses or you want to make $1 million. Right here is the package costs for the different levels and ranks. There are 15 ranks in RainBnB. As we say, we all need to start on beginner. So you can't just come in straight to, let's say, mentor. You need to take it step by step. First beginner, then influencer, then achiever, ambassador, pioneer, and so on, up until great. You can decide where you want to start with, whatever is comfortable for yourself. But we recommend that you start at least in one of these four ranks, not lower than ambassador. Even try starting on a higher rank. Right? It will just benefit yourself and your team much quicker. Right, here are the prices as well. Just take note that this prices was calculated when BNB was at $600 per coin. It's now 650, so these prices will differ. But the BNB value will always be the same. You must always work on the BNB value and calculate from there what is the currency that you need. All right, let's look at the 6 type of bonuses available in RainBnB. These 6 type of bonuses, you receive them on different stages and on different qualifying criteria. The first bonus is your 10% referral bonus, which you receive together with your 69 direct referral bonus. When you register, someone registers on your link. So basically, from all your directs, you will receive 79% when they do register. But your 10% referral bonus gets a bit different because you will not only receive it when they do register, you will also receive the 10% when they upgrade subsequently to all the other ranks, given that you are on influencer rank at least. Then you will receive 10% of the basic package cost for every time your direct referral upgrades. Even if they do upgrade to the last rank of creator and it's your direct, you will still receive the 10%. So all in all, one direct will give you from the 10% only about 10 BNB. So you can calculate that and you will receive between $6,000 and $7,000 from each direct that you refer, only from the 10% bonus. That will give you, depending on the price of the BNB, it will give you between $6,000 to $7,000 currently from one direct if you upgrade all the way to creator. All right, you take note that you don't have to be on the same rank or higher, but they will pay you 10% from all your directs when they do upgrade and you are on influencer. This is the only requirement there. Right, so it is recommended that you refer as many as possible with your own link because that will not only benefit yourself, but it will benefit your team as well. Right, so the next 69% referral bonus, you receive 69% of the basic package cost of every direct that you refer. So here's just a breakdown of the table. If you refer 10 or 20 or 50 or 100, even if you refer 100, just remember there's no limit to the number of direct referrals you can refer. Even if you refer 100 people with your link, that will give you this amount, and this amounts to about $200. So this is still not life-changing money, but you will make good use of that, definitely. It will benefit you much better. The more people you refer, it will benefit you and it will benefit your team as well. All right, so this is the biggest bonus in Rain BNB and where we need to focus on. This is what's going to make a big difference in your financial status. All right, so as we said that everything in Rain BNB, you need to upgrade, and when you upgrade, everything doubles by level. So on your first level, your beginner level, there's only place for 2 people. Now, this is the binary matrix. On your first level, you have place for 2 people. On your second level, there's place for 4 people. And when those people upgrade to influencer, they will pay you in the region of $11 altogether. Now, you use that money, either use this money or money from your pocket to upgrade further on. So if you upgrade, you will be on achiever rank. Now there on achiever rank, there is position for 8 people and they will pay you when they upgrade to achiever rank. So keep in mind that you need to be on that rank or higher to receive payments from these levels. So here you can see that it's recommended that you start at least in the green area. And here you can look at about $172 from ambassador when these 16 people pay you. You will not receive it when you go to ambassador or when the 16 lands on your 4th level, but you will receive this one by one when they upgrade in the region of $10 each. So that 16 people on your 4th level, when they upgrade to ambassador, they will pay you in the region of $10 each, and that is about $160 to $170, depending on the BNB price of the day. Right, so it's also recommended that you upgrade as high as you can, as fast as you can, because just as everything doubles on every level, the required positions that will pay you, so does the upgrade cost double and your income. That basically doubles as well. And it just becomes much bigger. And I don't even know many people can pronounce these figures. So yes, it's very good to upgrade as high as you can, as fast as you can, and let your team do the same. let's look at how your team is populated with the matrix tree setup. So it's always from top to bottom, left to right. You don't have to place people. The smart contract does that for you. You cannot decide where people would like to go. The smart contract will just place them as they come in. They can either come from overspill from your upline who are working hard, or from your people that you are registering. But they will also always fill up from top to bottom, left to right. So number one there, number two there, three, four, five, six, and then seven and eight, and so it carries on. Top to bottom, left to right. Right, and here's just an illustration of your binary matrix. Your first level is beginner. There's place for two people there. Those payments either comes from your directs, or when it is a spillover, it goes to the inviter. Just remember that. The direct bonus always goes to the inviter. Right, your second level is placed for four people, and they will pay you when they upgrade to influencer. Right, your second or your third level is placed for eight people, and they will pay you when they upgrade for achievers. Now, the same happens with the payments here. You must look at that as well. Second line payments, influencer payments goes up 2 levels. Achiever payments goes up 3 levels, and then your ambassador, which is your fourth level, those payments goes up 4 levels to you. And the same happens when you upgrade. Your payment also goes up the same amount of levels that you are upgrading to whichever respective level that might be. Right, and you can see here it just doubles. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. Then on your seventh level, which is champion, when you need to be on champion yourself or higher, and then when those 128 people on your level 7, when they upgrade to champion, they will pay you that amount, and that amount is in the region of $80, which they will pay you each. So times that by 128, and you will get to about $11,000 on your champion level alone. So it's very much recommended that you do upgrade at least. If you can start on mentor, pioneer, mentor, or champion, it's much better. But you need to complete your team, and then when they upgrade, help them when they upgrade to start receiving these payments and further payments. Right, now let's look at the next bonus in RainBnB is your 1.5% recurring level bonus. This is also a type of passive income. This was introduced to RainBnB on the 16th of January. And here you will receive 1.5% of the basic package cost of all registrations and upgrades in your direct team, 15 levels deep, from your second level to level 15. Take note that you need to be on influencer rank yourself, and you must have 2 directs as influencers. All right, and then you will start receiving 1.5% from everything that happens in your team, from beginner up until creator, from your second level up to your level 15. Now, just take a look at this. This is since the beginning of the 16th of January, when this was launched. This was just about 2 months in this, and the one account received from this 1.5% level bonus, only 2.3 BNB, just from this 1.5% bonus. Just don't neglect this 1.5. Don't think it's a small number, that it will not make a big difference. 2 BNB from this, from doing really nothing, is not to be smirked at. Right, then here's what it looks like on a matrix picture. This is basically your level 1 is your directs. They are all, there's unlimited number of directs that you can refer. So please refer as many as you can, because you will benefit from all their directs that they put in as well. From your second level to level 15. You will get 1.5% from every upgrade and every registration that they do in their teams as well. And this will carry on for 15 levels. Right, now bonus number 5 is your royalty bonus. So here you will receive royalty bonus every 24 hours. Once you reach the rank of icon, this is your rank 10, you will start receiving this bonus of 1.1% every 24 hours that you need to claim in your back office. So 3.5% of all the money that comes into RainBnB, excuse me, gets distributed between all of these ranks. These are the top ranks: Icon, Legend, Emperor, Conqueror, Chancellor, and Creator. And then whichever rank you are on the highest, you will receive from that rank only. Let's say, for instance, you're on Emperor, you will only receive the 0.6% from Emperor 24 hours every day, not from Legend or Icon. You will only receive from the highest rank that you are on, and you need to claim that every 24 hours in your back office under the royalty and rewards tab. Right, you will also just receive this up to twice the amount of your total investment. Then you will be out of the royalty bonus pool. And then you will carry on the next rank when you upgrade again. So let's look at the last bonus. It's your lifestyle bonus. Now this is also add-on in RainBnB, which is not available in RightBnB. Here is 5 different clubs basically that you can also qualify for different bonuses. And the first one is your Prime Club, which you need to be on the director rank yourself, and you must have 5 directs as champions. All must have been qualified after 16th of January 2025. And this you need to claim in your back office every week under the royalty and rewards tab as well. All right, so once you receive a total of $3,000 in BNB, this bonus will stop. Okay, then you go to the next bonus or next club is Elite Club. Here you will receive 0.5% daily, and it gets paid out on a weekly basis until you receive $25 in BNB. Please note that this $3,000 doesn't get paid out at once. It gets paid out on a weekly basis until you receive $3,000 in BNB. Many people, they don't understand that the same way. All right, so your Royal Club, you get 0.2% of all the money that comes into RainBnB on a daily basis, which gets paid out weekly until you receive a total of $50,000 in BNB. And the qualifying criteria for you here is that you need to be on a Chancellor rank yourself, and you must have 5 directs as conquerors. The qualifying criteria for Elite Club is you need to be on Conqueror, and you must have 3 Emperors as directs. Also keep note of the number of directs. As I said previously, you need to refer as many as possible, and it will benefit you. So here you need a minimum of 5 directs. Here's 3. And then your Royal Club, you must have 5 directs as conquerors as well. Now your Crown Club, you will receive 0.15% daily on your, and that will get paid out weekly until you receive $100,000 in BNB. Here you need to be on the last rank, which is Creator, and you must have 7 directs as Chancellors. So we can see that the number of directs that you need to qualify for these bonuses are increasing. And then your last lifestyle bonus club is your Supreme Club, where you receive 0.15% on a daily basis, which gets paid out weekly to you until you receive $500,000 in BNB. You need to be on a creator rank yourself, and here you need to have 10 directs as creators as well. So it's a good to aim for 5 directs, but as many as possible. The funds comes from all the registrations and upgrades in RainBnB and is already budgeted for in the smart contract. Right, so here you can see just don't watch others succeed. Be the one that they do watch. So here in RainBnB, you can definitely join hand with us and start the journey with us. Now let's look at the future roadmap of RainBnB as well. We don't have much information about these yet, but we are told that in the next 3 to 4 months, some of these projects will start launching. And what they are doing now is building the community up before these projects are launched. That we will be benefiting from this as well as from the existing matrix earnings as well. So they are planning on launching their own gaming token, exchange, a trading bot, gaming projects, even their own blockchain, and also other Web3 projects like NFTs and so on. And all of the members will benefit here if you have an active team. So if you are in RainBnB, keep on building and keep on assisting your team so that we can all benefit from this when these programs launch as well. Now here's just the difference in starting on beginner and starting on ambassador. Right, these two both started in September last year, 2024, on beginner, and they grew organically. Now this one received 11, it's now 12 BNB in that time, and it's on a Titan rank. So you can see the difference here. It's not impossible. You can definitely do it. And this one is on champion in 7 months. Now this one that went to Titan took 4 months to get to Titan. This one on champion in 7 months, and it made about $2,500. It used to upgrade with $230, and it made to $2,500 in that time. So you can do the calculation there and see what is the profit there, or how profitable it is. Right, now here's the difference. In 14 days, this account, which started on ambassador, upgraded to director, and it made let's say $1,200 there. And it paid what it used to upgrade from the funds that it received, about $460. But it went to director in only 14 days because everybody in the team joined on ambassador. And the same with this one went to mentor, which is your 6th rank, in 4 days. It started on ambassador as well. And the team started also on ambassador. So you can see the difference here. It's much more beneficial to join on a higher rank. You don't necessarily have to join on ambassador. You can join any rank, but there's just a big difference or more benefits to join on a higher rank and your team follow you as well in that way. Right, here's just a proof of withdrawals because many people want to know, have you withdrawn money to your bank? Yes, many members have done it, and that is actually not something to do with RainBnB because RainBnB smart contract pays you immediately directly to your connected wallet. So when the money is in your wallet, you have already been paid. You just need to exchange it or send it to your crypto wallet or exchange wallet to send it to your bank. That is the way you get it into your bank account, wherever you are in the world. So this is just an example of one of the payments. There is lots of them available. But you need to ask yourself these 2 questions. What is your why? Why? What do you want to achieve in life? And we all know we need vitamin M to achieve these requirements that we set for ourselves. Whether it be you want to be a millionaire, you need money. If you want to survive, you need money. If you need food and shelter, you need money. So whatever you want to achieve with RainBnB, you need to ask yourself that seriously. And then also the next question is, what are you waiting for? Because the best time to start was yesterday, and the next best time to start is right now. Even the Bible tells us that he who watches the wind, it does not sow. So if you're going to wait for the right and perfect time to start, then you'll never start. And he who looks at the clouds does not reap. So when you look at all your circumstances and look for excuses not to start, you will not be successful. You will just stay where you are. Right, that is your choice. You need to decide that for yourself. But the best thing is for you to take action, is to take action, to start there where you are. Don't wait for the perfect time, perfect opportunity, for everything to be right for you to join. Just take the action, take the leap of faith and do it. All right, so thank you for your time, and please get back to the person that invited you and let it rain BNB. So here you can build your own business that pays you for the rest of your life, because this platform is not going anywhere. It cannot stop as long as there's internet connection. But the secret of getting ahead is to get started, and that's by taking action. Get back to the person who invited you, and that person will help you and explain to you because one look at this presentation, you will not understand it 100% yet, but they will definitely guide you and take your hand and help you. All right, I thank you for your time. Winnie, I don't know if KK is still available. Winnie, you want to take over?
Yes, Johan, definitely I will take over. And thank you so much for the wonderful presentation this evening. I'm sure our prospects found it quite insightful, and it is going to help them to make a fully informed decision tonight. All right. And to all our honorable guests, and of course, the leaders that are here tonight, we apologize that KK wasn't able to join us due to poor network signals that is caused by a terrible storm in India. So we didn't want an interrupted presentation, but he will be with us tomorrow, hopefully, for our training session where everyone, especially our guests that are here, that would like to ask questions, more questions about the business, and they need more insight, then you join us tomorrow on the same link, same time in our training session. And thank you so very much, everybody. Have a fruitful evening. Thank you.
All right, thank you, everybody. Have a good night wherever you are in the world. Good day, good afternoon, goodbye. See you tomorrow again.